This episode is supported by Upper Cloud Labs. Founded by a family of proud scholars ng bayan, Upper Cloud Labs isn't just about cheering for the UP Fighting Maroons. They are champions of Philippine tech innovation. Whether you're a startup, a small business, or a top corporation, Upper helps you win by accelerating your move to the cloud and adopting the latest in the AI. As experts in Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud Platform, they are the teammates you need to fast-track your digital transformation. From the court to the cloud, support excellence. Visit apper.cloud to learn more. Welcome to Maroon Talk, a segment dedicated for anything and everything UP Fighting Maroons. I'm Fim Moran, batch 2010 from UP Los Baños.
Enzo Regondola, batch 2010, UP Diliman.
And Lance Belhira, 2015, UP Manila, 2017, UP Diliman.
What'll we tell y'all? We're still here, mofos. We here.
Sabi ni, walang finals na nandyan ng UP na hindi umaabot ng Game 3.
Yup.
Medyo baliktad lang yung ruta natin ngayon. Pero doon din ang bagsak. Game 3 pa rin against Lasal.
Yes.
Para may iba naman eh. Baka nagsasawa na yung mga fans natin eh. May iba naman.
Game 1.
Diba? Manalo naman tayong Game 2. Palagi tayong talo eh.
Oo nga no. Ngayon lang tayo nanalo Game 2.
Palagi tayong talo sa Game 2 eh.
Okay. So kita nyo naman, wala kami lahat dun. Si Lance nag-aaral. May exam mo ba kanina, Lance?
Bukas. May gitna ito ng exam.
Ay, Sunday pa lang ngayon.
Tapos Game 3 bago yung last exam ko.
Yan. So, wala siya, syempre. Pero sa Wednesday, din natin si Lance. Kami ni Enzo, golf day. Nag-golf ko ba kanina? Hindi, kapon.
Hindi. Birthday ng lola ko. So, doon yung party.
Okay.
Yun.
So,
Kapon ako nag-golf.
Ako ngayon, nag-golf. So, busy po tayo lahat. Anyway, ang nangyari today, 66-63, panalo UP. Game 2. Okay. Para bago lahat, again, pasalamatan natin ang sponsors natin. Of course, this episode brought to us by Upper Cloud Labs. If you guys need IT support, any type of those stuff, AI help, please look into upper.cloud for more info. Salamat, Upper Cloud Labs. We love you all.
Thank you.
Of course, Upbeat Merchandise, Cups Philippines, Beaming Smiles Dental Care, and Sunny Smiles Dental Center. Maraming salamat, you guys. At Che, Doc Bea, Doc Tish, thank you all. At saka, Zo, teka, ito, meron lang akong isa-special shoutout, no? Hindi ako sure kung nanonood siya, pero nagla-like siya ng mga posts natin sa Facebook, no? So, I'd like to shout out, if you're familiar, Zo, sa kanya, Boss Gerald Katigbak, one of the finest golfers down south sa Batangas, if not the finest. Speaking of Malarayat, Zo, kung hindi nagkakamali, siya ang club champion doon. And apparently,
ganun ba?
He's a UPIS alumnus. And yung anak niya ay si UP Diliman. So I think, hindi ako sure pero please comment down below kung fans kayo ng Maroon Talk or nanonood kayo. Maraming salamat po.
Pa-endorse naman kami.
Yan. So ito mga idol natin Shout out as well, of course, to my idol Ninong Dennis Gonzalez for also placing in the recently concluded Phil-Am tournament in Baguio as team captain. Hindi ko lang sure hindi ko nakalimutan kung anong division nila, pero congrats, Ninong Dennis. Yan, ito yung mga malulupit na golfer talaga, no? So, salamat sa inyo.
Thank you po.
Moving forward, before I address the game, before I actually talk about this amazing win we got, gusto ko lang sabihin sa mga Lasalista na nasa court na kung gusto nyo ng bakbakan dapat. Okay, kung gusto nyo ng laban dapat. Hindi yung konting gitgitan lang. Susumbo na kayo sa referee na, review. Oy, rep, naniko, ganyan.
Kaya nga.
Lumaban kayo ng patas. Kung gusto nyo ng physical na laro, lumaban kayo, hindi yung susumbong-sumbong kayo kung kanino man. Nakita niyo ba yung taga-UP na, na gumawa ng ganun? Lahat ng 50-50 ball, lahat ng loose ball ng UP, never tinawagan ng foul. Kahit na yapos na ng Tagalasal yung may hawak ng bola. Ever, ni isang beses wala. Kasi sila kung makareklamo sa referee ng uh, nagasgasan ng hinawakan niya ako. Bullshit! Grow the fuck up!
Yan.
Sheltered na nga
Talo
kayo sa
tuloy
school
kayo.
nyo. Sheltered pa kayo sa court.
Talo tuloy kayo sa game 2.
Tayo na. Lalaki ng katawan nyo, tapos iyakin kayo. Ano yun? Puro kayo... ito naman itong mga ref. Hindi ba dapat unsportsmanlike behavior yun na talagang reklamo sa kanila? So, all the more that proves na alagang-alaga yung yung mga tagalasal ng referees. Wala silang like ano to? Reason to warn them at least, give technicals to whoever. Sobrang sobrang alagang-alaga nila ang mga taga-Lasal, ang mga Lasalista. Like how the fuck is that possible
Oo.
with nothing under the table?
Mga daming ano kanina eh. Sa parts na talagang napanood ko ng maayos. Ang daming non-call o bad call kay Francis. Ilang beses siyang parang talagang physical eh. Tapos walang tawag or siya pa yung natawagan ng foul. Anong,
Sobrang
paano yun?
ewan.
Pero nalo
Oh,
tayo.
nalo tayo. Isa pa ako sasabihin pero nakalimutan ko sa ngayon. Pag naalala ko mamaya, i-run through natin. Okay. Ito, naalala ko. Tapos pa-pray pa kayo, Jesus pa kayo. Kupal naman kayo maglaro sa court. Like,
Yan.
Mike Phillips, what the fuck? Kita naman kupal kayo. Tapos kung magdasal-dasal ka dyan, kala mo kung sino ang mabait na nilalang. I can't fathom that y'all see that bullshit. Okay. Anyway, sige, that's that. Get the win. So, if you guys haven't seen those antics, I don't know what y'all are watching, but they have to let the players play on the court. That's what we're saying. If you want beautiful basketball, if you want the prestige, the glamour of the UAP to retain itself, we have to let the players play. It has to be that way. Kasi kung magpapatuloy yung mga ganyang klaseng tawagan or what, it just takes away the beauty of the league we all love and we don't want that to happen. Sobrang nakapikon. Anyway, Lance, so ewan ko kayong dalawa, pero ako, I watched the game. However, yung commentary, hindi ko narinig. Kasi syempre nasa event ako. So, I may have missed some points in the game. But, so sige, I'll let you guys do the talking first bago tayo drill down deeper into what happened in this game. Go ahead, Lance and Zoe.
Sabi ko kanina, nung simula, sabi ko, oh shit, ito na naman, bad start na naman to. Sabi ko kay Dana, nanonood kami, nakikinig kami sa kotse habang nagda-drive. Sabi ko, bad start na naman tayo ah. Good. Good. Kasi tuwing nag-bad start tayo, maganda yung result eh. Di ba? Nung game 1, maganda yung simula natin, talo tayo. Nung second round against Lasal, ganda na simula natin, talo tayo. Kaya ano sabi ko, uy, bad start. Parang okay to ah. Ganito yung theme ng ano natin eh. Ganito yung theme ng season natin eh. Bad start sa mga games. Bad start tayo sa season, di ba? 2-0-2 tayo. Bad start sa finals, natalo tayo ng first game. Pero lagi tayo nag-end up victorious at the end. So, yun yung nangyari sa game na to. Sa simula, pangit. Di tayo makashoot. Yung Lasal, nakakashoot. Tayo yung looks natin, wala talaga eh. Pero at the end of the day, tayo pa rin yung nasa taas. So, in a nutshell, ganun yung nangyari sa game. Yun lang muna.
Lance.
Ano eh, like, yung bad start natin, I mean, syempre, sanay na rin tayo dun eh. Pero, ang napansin ko lang din talaga, sobrang hindi loose nung start. Nakita mong close-up shots pero baldog pa rin. Na parang 7-0 ata yung start eh. If tama na alala ko. Or 5-0 pala. 5-0 yung start. Tapos ang dami nating misses to start the game. Na kahit yung mga fresh legs natin pagpasok nila, alam mong may jitters at the start. Pero evident din eh kasi I think both teams did not shoot well. Oh, both teams did not shoot
Yep.
well. Below 40% parehas.
Kaya
And
medyo mababa yung scoring natin.
low scoring
Mm,
game din tayo eh.
relatively.
Pero yun nga, yun ang preliminary thoughts ko on this game overall ay yung bad start attributable siguro sa given the weight of the game and first time nating maput in this position na tayo yung do or die. It's been a while since tayo yung do or die and just buti na lang din na second quarter pa lang nag-adjust na agad, nakapag-adjust na agad sila and na-carry na yung momentum tuloy-tuloy na hanggang fourth. Tapos good job ano eh, not not losing that yung grit that na nag-show up nung second quarter.
And I think, as Tish mentioned to me, first quarter lang lumamang ata ang Lasal. Na-bring up ba yun sa before the second half, the fourth quarter comeback na 57-55, tuwan-tuwa na sila for some reason. There's like what, 6 minutes left on the clock na parang or watching it from the stream, parang they felt like they won already. Okay, so that was something quite interesting to me while watching the game. But yung una kong napansin, and it may have actually ang tawag dun? Coursed through the whole game, was that, if I'm not mistaken, based from what I saw from our offense, or the UP offense, whenever we have the ball, tingin ko yung nilagay nila sa whiteboard, sa dugout, ay run, run, run at all costs. I never saw us slowing down the pace in any instance today, whether it be a primary break or a secondary break. Parang it was quick offense, as much as we can. Tama ba? Napansin niyo rin ba yun? Kasi parang talagang nakita ko first to third, I think kahit yung fourth eh. Wala masyadong complex play na ni run. It's more of, if you have the quick shot available, go for it. Yeah, hence Ray, Rimoga, Terrence, and minsan nagpo-post tayo. We go down the post to Gani, to Francis. Pero kapag meron talagang open shot right then and there, they would usually take it. Napansin nyo ba yun? Or ako lang yun?
Yung sa start, yeah, like talaga, run and gun talaga na, which makes sense given how Lasal is a good defensive team eh. And they have the length para sabayan yung bilis natin. Kaya like good move din on our part na sa first part of the game, like just don't give them the opportunity para magpag-setup. Pero nung fourth quarter naman medyo nag-slow down na it reached a point na paulit-ulit yung three-man game ni ano ni Harold, Ray and Gani or si Jerry at one point nung dulo. Kaya
Mhm.
pero yeah, yung playing at a fast pace, that was really evident for the most part.
Tingin ko ano yun parang I guess response to game 1 na game 1 hindi naman sila masyadong tumakbo. Ang result, wala silang ma-generate na offense. Puro one-on-one. So I
Oo.
guess
Oo.
ngayon, mas may attempt to keep the ball flowing, keep the movement going throughout the team na to try to generate more movement, more offense that way. Did it work? Hindi masyado. Kasi ang baba nga ng field goal shooting. Baba rin ang assist pa rin natin. 9 assists lang.
Mhm.
So, pero, I guess it worked somehow kasi mas marami namang na-involve doon sa offense natin. Production came from 4 guys with at least 8 points. Diba? At as compared sa game 1 na Harold Alarcon and everyone else, Harold and his sidekicks. Parang ganun lang yung naglaro ng game 1 eh. Ngayon, mas ano sila, mas played as a unit. Mas maraming nag-contribute sa panalo. I guess yun yung effect. Mas ano sila mas fast-paced to prevent the defense from setting up properly. So yeah, I guess to some extent it worked.
Check that. Yung binabanggit pala ni Tish was yung quarter scoring. Lasal only had a one quarter in the first quarter against the rest of the quarters. No? So again, checking the stats now, same lang pala yung field goal attempts natin in the first game. So we attempted 63 nung first game. Itong game din ngayon, 63 field goals din. What the difference was the difference was today we shot 38%, which was actually worse compared to game 1, wherein Harold mostly uh, had 45% field goal shooting. The team had 45% field goal shooting. So hence the lower score today. Ganun. Anyway, that's just one part of the game. Um, as Enzo mentioned, yun nga, we have much more balanced scoring output from our team today compared to the previous game. What's consistent here still is Francis Nuruka, but we got production from our top scorer, Jerry Abadiano. Cap,
Mm.
salamat. Top scoring the team
Yes.
with 17 points. 1 of 2 from downtown with perfect from the line. 2 of 2 with 50% field goal shooting with crucial baskets down the stretch. Something we didn't have in the first game. Ito yung sinasabi namin ni Enzo. Had we executed like this nung first game, more or less we would have maintained that lead and got in game 1. Ito yung hinahanap
Mm.
natin na execution nun. And it proved crucial in this game kasi nga we lost it nung game 1. Also, Ray Remogat finally hitting big shots the whole game, finishing with 12. Uh, 4 of 8 from downtown. Salamat, Ray. And of course, Francis Nuruka, 13 points. 13 rebounds, 2 blocks, 4 fouls. 4 fouls compared to Mike Phillips, 3 fouls. Lasal had 18 fouls as a team. UP had 18 fouls as a team. However, we had 2 with 4 fouls, Jacob Baila and Francis Nurba. Mark Belmonte with 3. 2 for Jerry, 2 for... Tama bang binabasa ko? Oh, 2 for
Oo, tama, tama.
Harold. But I believe mas marami dapat yung foul. Sa atin, mas mababa dapat. Doon ako nagagaling. Yes, may mga foul talaga. But there were tiki-tak fouls na hindi dapat tawagan. And on our end, ang daming fouls na hindi tinatawagan. So, again, hashtag inconsistency. I don't know.
Naalala ko, merong ano nung second quarter ata yun. Going for a rebound, si Phillips tsaka si Francis. Simpleng ano lang, simpleng rebound action lang ng dalawang magkalaban. Tapos syempre, si Phillips tumalisik ng konti. Kung tinawagan ng foul si Francis, ano nangyari doon?
Ganun yun. Automatic.
Oo,
May bola.
yung ano niya, yung, di ba? Buti lang kalbo siya kasi kung may buhok siya, mas theatric di ba? Parang si Ginobili dati. Pero, ganun lang. As in, dalawang mama lang to na rebound tapos, nasa foul? I mean, kung
Lambot.
normal play, walang tawag yun eh. Kasi, yun nga, dalawang tao lang na tumalon tapos nagbanggaan sa ere. Going for a rebound. Normal, every time nangyayari yun. Tapos bakit dito may foul? Dahil si Phillips to. Dahil Lasal tong kalaban. I don't know.
Isa pa yung kay Nwangko tsaka kay Francis ba yun? Yung out of bounds na kahit sa TV, kitang-kita mo na last touch si Nwangko. Pero syempre yung referee na kaharap nila right then and there sa baseline, tinawag nila salbol. Ano kayo masyadong pahalata? Alam na yung bobo kayo, pero huwag yung masyadong pahalata. Okay, so
May pusta.
Lance, what's your take on a more balanced scoring output from our team?
And, ito yung, ano eh, as fun as it is to watch Harold take over a game and score for most of the game, ano eh, but at the end of the day, basketball is a team game eh. And very evident yung ano eh, when everybody's producing like this, kahit pa konti-konti lang, it makes you so much harder to defend. Na UP is facing a team in Lasal na sobrang galing mag-defend. And when you have 2 to 3 guys na nagiging threat offensively, tas andun sila sabay-sabay sa court, mahirap talaga bantayan yan. And yun nga, tas tingnan mo pa yung mga gumagawa sa atin, lalo si Jerry tsaka si Ray, si Noy, with how kita mong nag-open up yung floor din para sa ibang teammates. And well, unfortunately hindi natin na-capitalize yun masyado. Kasi hindi nako-convert yung pag nagki-create for others. Evident sa number of assists natin na hindi man lang tayo umabot ng 10. Pero it's a good thing na nakakapag-produce yung mga may hawak ng bola ngayon na yun nga si Jerry and si Noy. And I mean, yun lang din naman talaga yun eh. Like, the more balanced you are as a team, the easier it is for you offensively kasi marami kang options and you make it so much harder for the opposing team to defend you. And yun yung very glaring difference tonight compared to game 1. Na si game 1, alam mo naman kung sino babantayan mo eh. Bantayan mo si Harold, hayaan mo siyang mamasa kasi yung iba, hindi nila napapakita na na maganda yung gising nila for that game. So, you'd gamble on them. Pero ngayon, yun nga, di mo alam kung sino papantayan. And we had our lapses defensively. And yun nga, sa calls din, medyo eh-eh. Pero, at the end of the day, we scored more points. So,
Talking about Lasal, when I checked their scoring as well, similar to those who scored nung game 1, Cortez top scoring next to Luis Pablo with 12. Marasigan still there, consistent. Mike Phillips, not his usual numbers, 8 points. Uh, isa pa palang point I think never pa tinawagan si Mike Phillips ng faking a foul. Ever. Ever. Correct me if I'm wrong. Comment down below kung meron na. Pero wala akong naaalala in any game. Kahit hindi UP Lasal in any game. Never siya tinawagan ng faking a foul. Considering the fact na he's the number 1 flopper in the league. Let me know if tinawagan na siya. Never, never. With that style of play, last year pa yan na-highlight nung finals. But I don't think he's ever been at least warned for faking a foul. Siya dapat talaga yung number 1 na tawagan nun. Tapos, we took out, at least this, again, comparing it to game 1, we took out Doy Dungo. Only finishing with 3. 3 points today. And, yeah, yun. Yun yung, ano nila. On our end, again, big baskets from Gani we got. His 8 points. Di ba? Sobrang laking tulong natin sa atin.
Crucial yung mga offensive rebounds. So yung nag-lead sa team sa offensive rebounds and yung mga rebounds yan very crucial kasi siyempre create na opportunities. So dalawa doon nag-lead directly sa baskets niya.
Yep.
So 2 of his 4 field goals, offensive rebounds, tapos
second chance points. Kumbaga,
second chance points ni Gani yan. Nakadalawa siyang ganun.
Good job, Gani. That's what we're talking about, bro. That's
my X factor.
Exactly what we were talking about the previous game. So yes, that's what we need. For Sean as well, yeah, I appreciate Sean's work today. Yun nga, yung tinulak niya si Marasigan na umakte ng, pigilan nyo. Ano?
Lumipad siya
ganun.
nakita ko ba yun?
Laki-laki ng tawa mo, ginagawa mo rin naman yun. Tapos biglang pag sa'yo na ginawa, wala na. Iyak ka na.
Pagtulak sa kanya ni Sean, parang lumipad lang siya Layo nung tinalsik niya sa screen Tapos si Alter parang gano'n lang, konting lang.
Normal.
Pinitik lang niya halos, di ba? Pero layo nung tinalsik.
Yeah, get ready for war in game 3.
Exciting.
If the referees are like aligned, in tuned, actually splitting it in the middle. Okay. Okay, sige. Let's talk about our starters pala in this game. Naiba. Something we haven't seen all season actually. We started off with Jerry Apadian, of course. Captain Jerry. Francis Noruka. Ray Rimogat. Itong tatlo consistent sa starting 5 na. However, we got to see Miguel Eniguez and Raylan Torres in the starting lineup today. Lanzo, napansin nyo ba yun first of all? And tingin nyo ano implications nun heading into this game? Kasi Lasal started off with Cortez, Phillips, Makalalag, Abadam, and Guliena. Some sort of usual starting 5 nila. So, what's your take on this?
Ano lang din Parang mixing up the cards lang din kasi it's as of game 1, 0-3 tayo sa Lasal. So obviously, I mean, you don't lose 3 straight without the opposing team knowing what you have in store for them. So parang ano lang din siguro to, magic bunot ba? Parang on Coach Schools and something for Lasal to think about na yun nga lang medyo yung rare starter natin si Migs Iniguez ano lang played 6 minutes lang pero you could see na he was raring to go sa start pa lang and yeah.
So,
Oo, ano lang. Siguro yun nga, panggulat, kumbaga. Na, uy, bakit may dalawang starter dito na hindi natin skin out? Parang ganun, siguro. Did it work? Hindi ko alam, parang hindi. Kasi yun nga, slow start din tayo eh, di ba? Parang
Oo.
tayo pa rin yung
okay.
nagulat eh.
Tingin ko ngayon yung
So,
tinatry i-eliminate yung slow start. Ika nga. Pero parang
ayun.
hindi siya
Pero,
gano'n.
oh, di ba? Ganun pa rin eh.
Pero
Pero, I
kasi,
mean,
sige.
siguro, yun nga, ano lang, talagang mixing things up lang. Para lang to try and catch Lasal off guard. Yeah, sadly, it didn't work at that time, at the start. Pero, at
Mm.
least alam na ni coach na, okay, hindi pala ito mag-work. So maybe next time, hindi ito yung gagawin natin.
Kasi yung nawala sa starting five natin are Jacob Baila and Mark Belmonte, the usual guys we see on the starting list. Talking about matchups, parang wala namang nagbago kasi usually it's Francis on Phillips. Then, ay pala, si Cortez kay Jerry. Yata, parang ganun. Then, the rest, si Abadam ba isa? Yes, oo. So, siya yung nagiging four for some reason. So, what really matter? O si Gani ba yung starter natin? Hindi no? Si Gani ba? Hindi eh.
Game
Either,
1 yeah.
either si Gani mag-start, tapos si Francis wala. Or, basta Mark, Jacob, Jerry, tapos Ray. Yun yung, ano eh, apat eh. Ta, then yun. So anyway, talking about uh, lineups, I noticed down the stretch na baka nga yung finishing lineup natin. Our finishing lineup composed was composed of Francis, Ray, Jerry, Harold, and Jacob Baila at the four. Nakita niyo ba yun? May
Mm.
pagka-small ball lineup tayo down the stretch when Jacob was guarding Cortez. Then the rest, Marasigan, Harold on Marasigan. Tapos, sino isa? Some guard on Jerry. Then, Francis on ano. And, nakita ba natin yung game 1? Hindi ako sure kung yun yung finishing natin nung game 1. Wherein, Jacob stopped Cortez. And, Jerry hit the shots. So, let's see if that still becomes the finishing five come game 3. But so far, we got that solid close out the game for us today. And baka nagkataon lang kasi Gani was doing okay. Yun nga, as Enzo mentioned, down the stretch. So we'll see if it's gonna be the same guys on the floor when we close out that game 3 on Wednesday.
Siguro
Okay?
kasi sila yung parang, pwede sabihin, best defensive group
Pwede.
sa team.
Oh. Mm.
Na, kasi nga offense, yung production sa offense, hindi naman problema eh. May syempre, minsan, pero ibig sabihin, kaya. Kumbaga, yung offensive capabilities nila, kaya naman nila eh. So, I guess, ang determine na lang kung sinong maglalaro is, yun nga, to close the game. Sino ba yung most likely to prevent Lasal from scoring? Any given Archer from scoring?
Mhm.
I guess yun yung grupo na kaya i-prevent yun. Yung scoring. Athletic, quick, hindi masyadong mahaba, hindi masyadong lengthy, pero yun, very athletic na kayang pigilan almost anyone from the Lasal side. So I guess that's where the team is going. That's the direction they are taking late in the games.
So let's see. Yun nga, come game 3 kung sila pa rin. At siguro nga kasi kung sino yung okay laro during that game, would be finishing that a game under Coach Gold. So, yun, interesting instances kanina na we could highlight. No, sige, talking about stats, let's run through the stats for appreciation. Again, as Enzo mentioned kanina, assist to turnovers natin, uh, negative. We only had 9 assists with 10 turnovers. At least we had only 10 turnovers. Okay lang yun. Okay lang sa atin yun. Our top assist man was Harold Alarcon with 5 assists. Okay, so he finished with 3 points.
5 points.
5 points.
5.
Which will take any day. He's assisting 5 and doing everything else on the floor, so that's okay.
5 steals. 5
5
steals.
steals. 5 pala to.
5 points, 5
Sige,
assists,
siya na yung
5 steals.
Tama, siya na nga ang ating Cups stat of the game. Tapos, rebounds. Ayan o. So, siguro, Lasal had 50 rebounds. UP had 41. Siguro nga, to prove that is the worst ba tawag doon? Worst field goal shooting that we had compared to game 1. Hence, he had more misses. Hence, they had more chances to get the rebound. In terms of offensive rebounds, ayan, ang laki pa rin. Lasal had 22 out of the 50. And marami yun.
Oh,
Marami yun.
dami.
5 kay Marasigan, 7 kay Phillips. Medyo madami yun. So, I guess, still something to work out on. It's been a problem all season, I believe. Parang sobrang pigil lang ng games na na lesson natin yung offensive rebounds ng kalaban. So, talagang if we did not eliminate that in this game, yet we won. So, imagine na lang kung ma-control natin yan and manalo tayo dyan sa regard na yan in the next game. What more, di ba, na how we could take control of the actual game. Assists ng Lasal, mas mababa. They actually only had 7. So, mas malala yung assist ratio nila with 7 to 15. So, that helped us.
Oof.
That's kind of bad. Yeah. Second chance points, even. Bench points, even. Points off turnovers, even. Points in the paint, even. Biggest lead natin was 33 to 27. That was in the second quarter. Lasal's biggest lead was 22 to 13 in the second quarter as well. Yeah, so again, if you look at the stat sheet, everything is even. Ano ba binanggit namin ni Enzo last episode? He who wants it more gets the win. Yun. Wala nang patibayan na lang ng loob to. Palakasan ng dibdib. Kung sino may gusto ng championship na mananalo. Nakita naman natin sa kanila kanina, di ba? Something that we didn't have. Again, ulit-ulit kami. To close out game 1. Zolans, what did you guys see that we could take away and bring on over to the next game to close out this series?
Depensa talaga. Depensa. Yun yung nag-work sa atin kanina. Kaya nga baba ng field goal shooting ng Lasal. Kaya ang dami nilang offensive rebounds kasi ang dami nilang misses. Ang konti na assist nila, ang dami nilang turnovers. So, lahat yan resulta ng magandang depensa. Yun lang yun. Um, yung offense natin, sakto lang eh.
Pero mas
Nothing
umayos, di ba?
special. Mas umayos.
Mas
Oo naman, mas
umayos.
umayos.
Yes.
Pero I mean, in terms of production, di ba? Yung 66 points, very average output yan eh. Nothing to write home about, kumbaga. Pero yung defense, oo, 63 points pa rin yun. Pero how they got the 63, talagang pinaghirapan yun ng Lasal. Kasi nga, hirap sila makashoot. So, yun yung importante. And yun yung takeaway na, takeaway ko this game, talagang heading into game 3, kailangan nilang tandaan na defense wins championships. So, kung didepensa tayo the way we did today, get the necessary stops and get just enough rebounds. Kahit na ma-out rebound na tayo, basta makuha
Oo.
nila yung rebounds when it is actually needed.
Yes.
Mag-champion ulit tayo.
And if we make kumbaga, yung rebounds na yun, equate to stops. No? So if
Oh,
we get stops a lot, especially in the crucial stages, siyempre, we'd have a good chance in getting that back to back. Okay. Lance, how about you?
Yeah, same lang din dun sa defense tsaka yung grit na na we came out playing really physical. Everybody was
Yeah.
diving for the ball. You need that, especially in a in a final series, and we need to enter game 3 that same way, even more intensive kaya pa nila eh. Kasi
mm,
yun yung feel ko na kulang din sa atin nung first game na UP played with a different sense of urgency this game. And dapat lang kasi we're for yun nga, sa for the first time in a while tayo naman yung tayo yung fighting for our playoff lives. So we need to come out with that
mm.
same intensity na kahit 1-1 na yung 1-1 na yung fight yung series na to, can't be complacent come next game. And talking about the offense naman yun nga, we did a good job na mas balanced yung scoring natin. Sobrang ganda panoorin sa fourth quarter na there was a stretch na nagti-three-man game nga yun. That was Jerry, Ray, and Gani. Na ang ganda nga panoorin pag si Ray tsaka si Gani kasi magkakilala na, ang tagal na nila magkakilala eh. Ang ganda panoorin yung two-man game nila. Pero when you incorporate a third guy, yun yung stretch na na Scary Jerry showed up. Phil Oil
Yeah.
Jerry. And
Yes.
Phil Oil Jerry showed up sa MOA
Oh,
tonight. And
that's all we need.
during that stretch na sobrang scary niya, that was coming off of that three-man game nila ni Gani. And if hindi ako nagkakamali, yung streak na yun, nag-start siya, si Gani pa yung unang nakascore. Na yun lang yung 2 points si Gani sa fourth quarter. Pero si Gani yung unang nakapag-capitalize sa three-man game na yun. Somewhere around the 6-minute mark.
Mhm.
Tapos, wala eh. Yun nga, as they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it eh. Tuloy-tuloy,
Yep.
inuulit-ulit lang nila eh. Pero ang kagandahan dun, it's not just one guy na you're looking at.
Yes.
There's three guys you have to worry about na kahit si Gani, sabihin mong hindi siya offensive threat, he's still somebody you have to look out for kasi i-double team mo
Option
yung
siya eh.
dalawang taas.
Yep.
Oh,
Yep.
at the end of the day, he's still an option and he showed up today. And yun yung pinaka talaga eh, that's what I think brought us this win tonight. And if talking about point of improvement for next game, yun nga, kita mo sa stats, talking about the stats lang, we were out rebounded 50-41. Pero if you look at offensive and defensive rebounds, so offensive rebounds lang tayo na na out rebound by 9. And it worked out for us this game na hindi nakapag-convert ang Lasal dun sa +9 offensive rebounds nila. Pero if things went well for Lasal this game, see 9 offensive rebounds, that's if you isipin mo 2 putbacks
Yep.
each sa 9 plus
Eight.
18.
Yep.
How many points did we lead this game? Biggest lead was 6
6.
and we won by 3. Kung isipin mo kung na-convert nila yung 3-4 doon, di talo tayo, di ba?
Talo
Yeah.
tayo.
Umiiyak na tayo ngayon.
Yes.
Pero yun nga. And goes the same way sa atin na nakakakuha din naman tayo ng offensive rebounds. We have to convert. And nung first half, ang dami nating mapa off the offensive rebound or may na-create tayong opportunity na kaharap mo na yung ring eh. Pero ang dami nating baldog na ganong opportunity, and those are the opportunities na you have to convert, kasi pag natalo tayo and we look back at those opportunities, yun yung sobrang sakit talaga eh. Kasi andyan eh. Andyan na eh, pero hindi natin na-convert. Pero yun nga, fortunately, second quarter onwards, nakapag-lock in tayo dun, and that energy we showed sa second to fourth, we need to come out sa first quarter pa lang sa game 3 with that same energy and hopefully walang drop-off.
Yeah, it has to be consistent the whole game. Kasi yun na yun eh. Wala na eh. Wala nang ibang oras, wala nang ibang panahon para magkamali. Well, yeah, if you make mistakes, hopefully, malesen lang. But overall, you get the win. It's hard to say na tawag dito na control of the game. Kasi posible naman tayo manalo without taking control of the whole game. We just have to manage the runs. I mean, being from a outsider's perspective, yun yung ano ba? Hindi nga ideal eh, pero yun yung possibilities to get that win on Wednesday. But again, kumbaga simple na lang naman to eh. Yung tactics, it's not for us to decide. It's not for us to discuss because that's on the coaches. Yung uh, nitty-gritty of how to get the win from an outsider's point of view and a player's point of view. The player's point of view. It's just gonna matter on who wants it more. Yun lang talaga yun. Especially in Game 3. So, yes, we pulled off this win in Game 2. It's winner take all on Game 3. Again, ang hiling ko lang naman talaga is let the players play. Let the deserving team win that championship by themselves. Kung Lasal manalo, but maganda yung tawagan, okay tayo dun. Pero kung hindi okay yung tawagan, ibang usapan yan.
Lugi eh.
Bakit pa, di ba? Bakit mo pa anuhin? Pero syempre, if UP gets that win on Wednesday, this would be the sweetest championship compared to 87 and 84. 87, yes, it was sweet AF. Pero kung itong 88, iba yung ano eh. Kasi galing tayo 0-2 eh. Galing tayo 0-2. Hindi natin alam ano nangyayari. Hindi natin matalo UST. Sino ba? Hindi natin matalo Adamson. Hindi tayo sure kung abot tayo ng Final Four. Hindi tayo sure kung makaabot tayo ng twice to beat. Pero ito tayo ngayon. Sumarang tawag against us. May na-injure ba? Jan. Oy, yung nga pala, shoutout to Jan Felisilda.
Oy,
Hitting
naka
that
3
big
points siya
three. Big three by JJF. Yun. We haven't been in this, yun nga, ang daming instance sa season na to na hindi familiar yung UP na maging andun sa situation na yun. 0-2, talo ng game 1, yun. But regardless, we are on the brink of getting that back-to-back. So, let's just hope for the best. Hope for an amazing game on Wednesday for Game 3 and just bring out
Yes.
the beauty of the UAP. Zoe and Lance, your
Ang,
final pieces before we leave.
ang
And
tingin ko, the winner of Game 3, sino magcha-champion, deserve nila mag-champion. Given, sino man, UP or Lasal, both teams went through a lot this season. Ang daming unfamiliarity na dinaanan ng both UP and Lasal. Sinabi nga ni Samu Film, di ba? Sama na simula natin sa season. Hindi natin alam, parang wala tayong identity. Yung Lasal, ang dami nila injuries na pinalaban to the point na parang hindi sila magpa-Final Four. Nag-tiebreaker pa sila just to get into the Final Four as the fourth seed. Then they beat NU twice, the number one seed. Both teams went through a lot na yun nga parang naisip ko na yun nung NU Lasal game 2. Parang nung tinitignan ko yung laro nila, kung sino magfa-finals dito, deserve nila mag-finals. And tingin ko yung magcha-champion this season, deserve nila mag-champion kasi sobrang gulo ng season na to. Sobrang daming pinagdaanan ng lahat ng teams, especially the two teams in the finals. It's parang destiny na sila pa rin yung nagtapat at the end of it all. And yun, I guess to close out the chapter, the book na ano ba yun, 5 seasons of the Maroon 5 or most of them. Very fitting na ending to na Lasal na naman yung kalaban natin. Last year na rin ni Mike Phillips. Tapos, yun, tayo na naman nagkakaharap. So, very fitting na Game 3 ulit sa Araneta pa at the mecca of basketball in the Philippines. Pwede ba natin tawagin yun na ganun?
pwede.
Diba? The
Oo.
Big Dome, di ba?
Mm-mm.
So, ganda. Ang ganda ng laban sa Wednesday. Kung sino manalo, deserve niya yan. Deserve nila yan. Kahit na ganong kasama yung tawag na referee, sige. Sige na lang. Basta kung sino mananalo, deserve nila yan.
So, alam nyo na, wala si Enzo sa
Wala ako doon,
Wednesday.
sure.
Sure
Diba?
bull.
Na napag-usapan na natin yung last season na pag nanonood ako sa finals na may chance tayo manalo, hindi tayo nanalo. Okay? So, yung dalawang championship natin, wala ako nung game 3. Tuloy-tuloy lang natin yun. So, sa Wednesday wala ako. Manonood ako sa TV. Kung may watch party ako makita, doon ako manonood. Basta wala ako sa Araneta. Itagaan nyo sa bato.
Ako rin wala. Busy rin kasi. Pero, aside from that, kami wala. Last year nanalo eh. Araneta. Nag-champion. Wala kami nun. Nag-champion nung MOA. Ando kami nun. So, tingin ko pang MOA lang. Sa 85-86 wala. Andun din ako sa Araneta. Talo. So, hindi ko i-risk ngayon na pumunta. May Christmas party rin kami. So, yun naman talaga yun ako. So, si Lance ang bahala. Malalaman nyo kung pupunta siya.
Ma,
Close it out,
nakakatakot i-risk
Lance.
ka. Yeah. It was a beautiful season. I'm sure no matter what school ka galing, kahit sa ibang liga ka pa galing, it was a really, really good season na teams teams who were not used to winning were winning. Teams who were not used to losing were losing. And specifically talking about UP and LaSalle, both teams went through their own unique struggles na unfortunate, like sadly for LaSalle, it involved yung health ng players na nagtake din ng toll sa performance nila this season. And um sa atin naman parang nagkaroon tayo ng identity crisis for some in a way na we by now obviously na figure out na natin. We've been playing at a high level sa second round onwards. Pero yun nga, going into game 3, last 40 minutes, and mm, ang ganda lang na despite how unfamiliar this season felt, nasa familiar ending tayo na yun, UP Lasal ulit. And ang poetic lang na yung guys who have big roles on both teams are the same guys who are graduating at the end of a trilogy na obviously for both teams din, and for the whole UAP actually, next season is likely going to look very different with how many players from all schools are graduating this season. And wala, ang ganda lang ng ano, ang poetic lang ng season na to. And hopefully UP wins, and I believe they can. They just have to stay mentally locked in kasi the talents
Yeah.
there just need to go in with a good mindset, with a good spirit in the game. Na kasi the physical games just half the battle eh. We need to go yung mental talaga, especially with how tough this season has been. And yeah, just looking forward to seeing LaSalle score less points than us.
Yes, sir.
Ano siya parang para sa akin, ano na talaga, it's whoever makes less mistakes. Kasi nakita na natin, di ba, gano'ng ka-even maglaro yung Lasal tsaka UP. Stats pa lang eh. Kita mo na kung gano'n sila ka-pantay. It's about the team that makes less mistakes, especially late in the game. Yun yung
Mm.
mananalo.
Tsaka, ano sabihin ko? Ano yung sinabi mo huli, Lance?
Mental game, mindset, spirit. Go LaSalle,
Wala.
score less points than us, please.
Ano nga yun?
Eh,
Nawala.
pero to expound lang din dun sa sabi ni Enzo na the team that's gonna make the less mistakes win. Yun nga. Nasa mental
Yes.
mo rin talaga yun, na the way, the confidence you come into the game with, that's gonna translate physically.
Ayan, nalala ko na.
Na,
Okay.
oh
Heading
yeah,
into
sige,
the
go.
season, what I took note of was that in order for us to get that back to back, we'd have to peak at the right time. And I believe we are peaking at the right time right now. We just have to really close it out. Kita niyo naman ng game 1 eh, di ba? That monster game of Harold. What more of a statement do we need that Harold Alarcon is ready for the next level? That he's one of the leaders in this team. In any given night, he could dominate the game. We saw how Jerry did that today. Who knows who sino puputok next game? Yung team na to, hinug na. Kailangan lang natin na ano. So malayo na natin from how we started this season where we lost to UST by 20. Now we are on the brink of getting that back to back with only one win away from that to happen.
Yes.
Kaya yes, we just really have to get it. We just have to close it out. We just really have to want it more in order for us to get that. And I believe we can do it. So talagang tayo, suporta lang tayo sa team natin. No matter what. And eventually, we will be proud. Once. Okay. See you guys on Wednesday.
Yes.
Sa mga maghahanap ng ticket, good luck sa inyo. Mag-ingat kayo. Dun sa mga nakahanap ng ticket din today, congratulations. Sulit yung bili nyo, sulit yung oras nyo. Kahit naman di nanalo, sulit pa rin yan. Being there for your school, being there for the team is all that matters. And let's all embrace that and appreciate the hard work that this team has given us this whole season. Ngayon pa lang, maraming salamat Maroon 5 for this amazing run you guys gave us. The whole time you guys represented that UP jersey day in and day out. Every
Mhm.
practice session you guys give 100%. Sila lang talaga yung graduate eh, no? Wala namang iba eh, no? So,
Mhm.
it's been an honor being witnesses to how you guys transformed the UP basketball culture.
Yes.
Sobrang we're just really blessed that we get to cover you guys and be in this generation we're in. We could say that, oy, Jerry, Janjan, Terence, Harold, Rayland are UAP champions and are UP students. So we haven't said this season, but thank you Maroon 5. Ngayon pa lang in advance.
Thank you.
And we hope
Thank you talaga.
masaya tayo on Wednesday. Okay. Kaya yan. Good luck everyone. Maraming salamat.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Advance Merry Christmas. Lance, salamat sa inyo.
Merry
And get back
Christmas.
on Wednesday. See you guys
Let's
again.
go.
Tuloy-tuloy lang. Laban lang tayo. UP fight. See you guys on
Yes,
Wednesday.
sir.
Duck team.
UP fight. Let's
Bye,
go.
guys. Let's get
Back
this.
to back. Let's go.